Make Curly write what she want write to fire Miss Donna. He can't say for reading Bible, but he can't say for write letter. Let me make sure tell you what was said to me. Then why you use Nadine name for come on the internet come back because you going to the funeral is not important. I was minding my own business and somebody reached out to me. The whole of Aruba have it to say, are you bad mind the woman? Now, Curly, if you and Nadine have such a friend, how comes have you never gone to Aruba? You know why? Let me tell you. I would advise you to keep your big toilet bowl where you have by your face shut. Now, the problem with you and Nadine, what they call her winsome, is when Nadine, I guess her husband know, say she taking her money and giving it to you in the form of lend and you're not paying back the money. When you were to go to Aruba, you remember that trip? The man say, Curly, make I told you what the husband said. The husband said, over in dead body you're not coming in house, right? Well, I guess Nadine know that the hotel and knowing say you're too much high and she could not lend you no more money. That's why when Nadine went on the boat trip with you, the late Nadine, what Nadine didn't know, because I say you did not tell none of them. You told none of them, you were not honest enough to tell them that it was winter sponsor you the boat trip. So when poor Nadine, people no listen to me, I tell no sound no woman and tell no lie. When poor Nadine see Curly now on the boat trip, that was when Nadine lose it. Curly, you and Nadine were not talking. Nadine want our money. What I would advise you to do is pay that money to Nadine, to the late lady husband, because me say Nadine went blind the other eye. Nadine was not so pleased with our money. Worse when Nadine hear what Winter said and Nadine knows that you use her, Nadine's sister. Nadine was not so pleased. Curly, leave me alone. Leave me alone. If you feel I tell the people them, tell Nadine late husband and the family, Nadine sister and husband say, you say, then can't bury Nadine. Curly, to be honest, because if you want $20,000 must bury, you go bury Nadine. So if you feel some says I said what I said and nobody can beat me. Nobody can beat me. I am not scared. Nobody can beat me. Because I say, Curly, when you come on social media and a big ticket figure our woman, we have our purse. Because they're not poor people. Curly, another thing when Nadine, Curly, let I tell her something, you know, don't go Nadine final because Nadine will form on you. It was brought to my attention from the family and the friends and the relatives and what words on the street in Aruba is that the charity that you have in Jamaica, come here Curly, make I remind you. When you go down there, go give the people in the water ice cream and the oxtail and tell them lie. And say, and me so shocked so till me couldn't even write down the charity name. Because I said to know that it was a honor that I was over in Aruba. I was over in Aruba. And Nadine give you the money. The woman vexed with you from that because they say it's Nadine who sponsor the charity. Curly, it's not your money. It's Nadine's money. Curly, mind you make me come out here come report everything and tell the people in a detail. Me just a touch you up for your nose say, don't you dare. She never meet the lady because when she borrow Nadine money, me don't know if the husband know about it or Nadine make complaint to her husband. But she was planning on going to Aruba and the husband said over in dead body. Well, galang down the curly. You ever hear the word we say, one man did say, when he got Jamaica, he hear about the Wobia man. And when he go over Aruba, he hear about the Arub. The word Aruba people then they not like nobody. Not because you then not like you. For them people, they do. First of all, Aruba don't like poor people. Curly, mind you make the galang over there. It galang over there. I want you galang over there. Make them fling some Aruba under your nasty clot. Big birthday party you want go name big fraglets half a Nadine. You're too wicked. You're too wicked. The woman give money for charity. The woman pay rent. Have you ever paid back Nadine? Most of all when Nadine make you know somebody. Blessed morning queen. And when Nadine make you know somebody. That's why I'm glad me and a woman up on social media, you know, because in time when me come out can't contact nobody. Curly, if you make a rip your out with Nadine like I rip you out with Winter. If you make a rip out your Tory, me I warn you now. So me I go tell you, remember a Nadine make you open the charity. Where you go down, they go cook the turkey. They can't tell the people them say oxtail and give them the water ice cream. Come again, you borrow Nadine money, and when you do that plan for Aruba in a Nadine house, Nadine husband no want you in there. Curly, how comes you don't call Nadine husband? How comes you don't call Nadine and the people then tackle you with your nastiness because you go over there go dig up like you want to come, like you want to go tell people because and say yeah look money, like you want to go tell people say you are Nadine people and good. Nadine people and don't want to hear anything from you. So when you they come out, I come say yes me call them. Curly me call them and so what? My entire supposed to call them. Me supposed to call them because with your behavior, the lady pass off and you go come out and say, Curly, remember that you say, you know. You don't say, and Nadine one sister will be here because she jealous, Curly. And you give Nadine sitting and mash up a woman and ride on the boat trip. Are you? Are you? Money you look for birthday. And the wickedest thing you have to celebrate birthday, you know, Curly, because you don't know what age you born. You don't know when you born. So you don't know when you are celebrate. At the same way, you owe the people in their rent and take winter self give you near 6,000. Winter self give you a near 6,000. Morning, blessed queens, love you. Winter self give you a nearly 6,000 or more, and you take the lady money. I know the lady dead, you want you make content out of the lady, nasty content to have Nadine for box you on your mouth. Then now you want come make it look like say. Then now you want come take up your big kangaroo pouch, God self. Come out here, come make it look like say, me I stop anything for you. Curly, you could have dragged me, I don't care. My aim is for you not to go to Aruba. My aim is for you not to go to Aruba. And if you go to Aruba, you cannot go into the people them house because they say Nadine husband didn't want you there when Nadine. The only thing that the husband that want you know if you can't, if you ain't get your money. Because if it's him wife money, as long as him and are married until death is fee money, go and pay Nadine husband the money. Have some class and some dignity. The people them want the money. You think only me one know about you? The people them know about you. That's why them tackle you so quick. They know about you. Don't feel so they don't know about you. They know about you. They don't want you at the funeral with them. Want them. The only reason why they want you to come, they don't want you use Nadine name. Let me make sure I tell you what was said to me. They don't want you use Nadine name to come on the internet, come back, because you going to the funeral is not important. Nadine of our family and Nadine of our good friend. So me don't know where you come out here now. I come and go on like, and where you think so you cussing me do have nothing to do with me. All me I go do I expose you. All me I go do. You remember when winter time how you did galang? I remember when me do to you? Well, as some me I do you know. Same way, you see, same like winter time. Anytime you put out your big sour I got out here, I go and poke it. Remember me live, it's a blessing for me to live in Curacao. You see it? You see it? Me glad me live in a third world country. I'm glad me can just push me head over Aruba over there. I hear everything. I bet you never know see next week Nadina Berry. I hear everything. And Nadine never send you no picture. Either a friend, when Nadine got Dubai, you and Nadine was not talking. Either when last you talk to Nadine, come up, you see Curly come here. I challenge you, as big as you got, is a challenge you to come out. You remember we did the show with Winter? And come out and put out. Me say you no reach Aruba and you have bad representation over there. Your reputation bad, you leave a bad taste in Nadine and Nadine's family mouth. Put you like how you put out with Winter, put out the last conversation with Nadine. I challenge you to do that. Put out the last conversation with Nadine Winsome. To be exact, because they call her Winsome. Over Aruba, they know her as Winsome. She can write as much as she want write. Make Curly write. Make Curly write what she want write to fire Miss Donna. Curly can't fight. So she said she don't call my workplace. She can't say. He can't say for reading Bible, but he can't say for write letter. Me suppose you can call me not tell a lie on you. You say Nadine sister will be here. And if you're looking 20,000 to go to a funeral, you're automatically telling us that the family cannot bury Nadine and you have to go over there to go bury Nadine. The way you ball, you are on your way. I must bury you, go bury the woman with 10 and 20,000. When you write them about Donna, what's going to happen? You know what's going to happen? Because myself was sit down right here, so I'm not ask you that. Me now ask you that. And you see, even if tomorrow morning, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I'm going to say this. I'm not call him name for now when I'm ready. You see, if Gracie should have fallen upon a hard time, I will help her. You see, if Donna, you know why will help Gracie? She had helped me in the past. You see, if Donna should have fallen upon a hard time, me will short them rent money. Me will not pay no internet. Because as little as it be, I will use my big mouth and help and beg for her. Because guess what? She's not a perfect girl, but she's a good girl. You can't take Donna bread. So if a Tina, because this is the problem, you know. As I'm telling you, say, me no bother Donna in a Donna phone. Tina now come out, but Tina has sent big soul out. Good morning, Queen. Namesake, bless up yourself. Tina sent out big soul. So guess what them I do now? Cause me tell you say enough of them have up me, you know, because me say me liquid Tina brand and bread and butter. And me no care. So guess what them I do now? Them are go round. So it she come now because I say in a fear mine. I Donna. All when me I tell her say I me everything them blame Donna. So that's why Curly I go come out but she I go right. Curly, don't waste your time, don't strain your one eye. Because I said Tina write letter everywhere already. And then you can't stop her. What you need to do, since they are foreign stagnant, you need to write, send your resume and write Miss Birdie and go see if you can even get a work there to wash the pot and the something them. And move up and down, maybe you will lose a few of the extra pound. Or contact Miss Phoenix to see Phoenix about your eyes. You can't stop nobody. You and Tina stagnant. Can't stop nobody out here. No weapon will farm against progressive people. From Lady Vigo right down come back shall never prosper. Curly, when you go for prayer, bad prayer for people, God stand up over it and I say, hold it. Nothing. Curly, you know, see only you and Tina one stagnant. We're not afraid of you. We're not afraid of you. We're not afraid. When you see me, like I mean now, where you go along with over there, I'm sorry for you. Cause you're just sad, like a baby funeral. You're mad at society when you should mad at yourself. I know what is your problem, you know, with Tina Chin. This is why I tell you the bad apple spoil the one. Cause you did bad mind, you know, but since you start to mix up with Tina Chin, and you do say Tina Chin don't like you. Oh, Curly, make I give you this, make I tell you that story, make I tell you to your backside. Come here. Your out here, they take time. You see the group where Tina Chin have over Facebook. Tina say, come here, girl. I don't like you, but I have to tell you, but it's true, Tina talking. Tina say, has your skin go blonde, you gone blonde too. And it not fit you. You might go take out the blonde out time here. Don't to Tina. Come here. I said to backside the sweet me, you see, but me got to tell you. You see, I don't like you. But I don't despise you and hate you like Tina. Tina say, you look like drunk crow. Have you seen go blonde? So Tina go take out him blonde very soon. Because Tina not happy. Oh, you go blonde, you know. Me say me no know how me never start with this. Nearly most me forget to glad that I don't know. How me forget that, man? Tina no like you into blonde. Tina say you favor drunk crow. Peel neck drunk crow. And me say so at Tina, your big friend says so. Me say you, girl, your big friend not happy. If your big friend could catch you and die back that ear, she would catch you, hold your big neck and die back that ear. She do not like it. Me say your big friend fire up some shot because them the pass liberty and the pass liberty. Your big friend fire up some shot pan you. Me said, normally me say you know, Tina Chin, you can't take me out there. Me say, I smash the shoulder me hold on pan you know. And me say me take the sore foot. Make me sore foot never hurt up. Me say I take the sore foot and I rest you know. And I climb up. And if you hear Tina Tina don't like how you go bland. Tina say you favor drunk crow. Tina they go take off her bland. Tina say everything where you see she do. Well, me no know Tina just don't like curling at the blonde. Because if you look pan it, what me get to understand say curly blonde kinda yellow like curly. Now use the shade or curly now make a shade tan in there. And Tina no like the blonde at all with curly and she dey wear brand. Tina no like that at all. Just like how Tina no like the big goat. You should have seen me the fast in a people business yesterday. Curly make I tell you something. T-girl don't like you, you know. T-girl don't like you. The only reason why T-girl a roll beside you, come and answer, she don't roll with you, is because said you will can cuss, say you're cussing, but it's yourself, you're cursing, because every time you come out and talk something about Dana, it's yourself you're talking about. You're talking about yourself and using Dana as yourself. So that you're not cussing nobody. I like me curly, you're not cussing me. Yesterday me there somewhere me nah tell you which part me there. So me cock up. Tina say Tina not happy with the blonde where curly go. Tina is getting crazy and Tina say the blonde, yes, you got me. Tina say, Stacy, Tina say curly favor drunk crow with the blonde and she not happy. Cause she said curly at 1-2 she not happy. Then no curly no tapia. Curly I spoke to the people them over Aruba there and over Aruba there. Nadine, the late Nadine, win some. Me say the people them say I want you to ask Curly a question. 2 things Curly need to show the last text message which she Curly need to show the message with she and Nadine because I said Nadine even on the boat trip Nadine just go. But what when Nadine get vexed to Stacy, listen to people business. Nadine get vexed because Curly never tell Nadine say a winter sponsor the trip. So when Nadine now knows say Curly who are our money and see him a put boat trip and a pal off and a galang, maybe you don't know the word pal off and just a go on a show off. Nadine never feel good about it, so Nadine leave her for the boat trip with a bad taste. Even people with the dep on the boat trip, I said Nadine face never look so happy at all because I say Curly who are our money. So when Curly was planning now to go to Aruba, Nadine husband now say over in dead body Curly now going him out. So guess what happened now? Curly looking 10 and 20,000. So everybody I wonder if I bury Curly I go bury Nadine. No she a cuss. Me say the people them over Aruba say a Curly, she a say and Nadine sister jealous. Well then say a Curly cause Curly never want pay Nadine and a Curly mash up Nadine and I make Nadine sick. So Stacy we have 2 things we have to ask her. How comes if she and Nadine is such a friend, Nadine living to such a big house over Aruba and Nadine and me husband them have money, how comes one Nadine vex about Curly cannot go to Nadine funeral, Nadine a go home. Nadine never know till when Jennifer Barron people listen to people business, me I tell you no. Say Jennifer Barron carry out winter when Nadine here and know say Curly use and exploit winter just like her and she's a victim. She wasn't having any of it. She never in a no conversation. The picture from Dubai is not Nadine sending to give Curly like she telling. take Curly, take it off for somebody else in it, because Nadine was not talking to Curly. Nadine was not talking to Curly. So don't make Curly come out here and go. You could, I don't care, Curly. Your pressure could have go up, you could have faint, me no care. Me I go talk me truth. And so what if me reach out to the people them? I supposed to reach out to them. I live in Curse and Aruba and Curse. I suppose I can reach out to them and tell them condolence. And one thing lead up to another. They need to know about your nasty behavior on the internet, how you're going on. And at no time did Nadine tell you that she didn't like us. Nadine was trying to tell you you need to stop tell lies. Don't make she come out here about she go write no letter. She cannot go and she need to go check the yes, she need to write Miss Phoenix. If she need to write letter, she can go by Miss Birdie to get a job. You can go down to get a job because you serve no purpose with that American passport. Go walk. Damn shameless serpent. Money she a look. Birthday she want to celebrate. And she too lie. Of course I have to reach out to the people them. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? I guess Tina never tell you. No pass by me. When I hold the gate, I hold the gate. Curly, you shall have no peace with. If you ever come out here, all you can do is come out here, come cuss. You remember you cuss today 3 weeks. You cuss me picking them. Come here, Curly. How me I go sit down and you say a macaroni and cheese, me feed me pick them pan. Me picking in them want eat something healthy. You not get no money out here in the name of Nadine, you're too wicked. Nadine no want no money. Curly, people, let me tell you something. Nadine family, actually her husband, they are going to make people from Jamaica and help people with tickets to come up. So if them did want Curly there, they would have help Curly with ticket. The people them don't want Curly there because when Curly was planning on going to Aruba, the husband said over in dead body. And Curly the woman dead where you look $20,000 for. No must bury you go bury the woman. So what the lie day night? Tell me where the lie day night. At this moment she's not going to do, she can't do no laundry because and says she should not. I give a whopping her ass out here. She in pain. She scream like a rat. She don't know nothing about Nadine. She don't know nothing about winter neither. And she don't want know nothing about them. She only want to know about them pack. You see, yo, if I never had a clap you this morning, you say, don't make me take over. She Curly no business about nobody. Curly only business about people money. And the people them never call to her. The people them tell her to leave her for Nadine name. The people, it wasn't a friendly conversation them have with her. No, she don't want to keep no house, she want to keep the internet. You not get no money out of them. I want to go feed my pitney them a macaroni and cheese, my pitney them tired of it. Let me tell you something. Do not play any game where you want with me. Call me sore foot, wooden front, wooden foot, false teeth. For me, a joke. Joke. The moment you want to try to get my kids, I try to degrade my pitney them and drag them Curly, let me tell you something. Me not done with you yet, just like how me not done with thinking Tina. And she should have tell you, don't play with me. Just a moment till when time my friend come from Jamaica where I work with Medicaid. Curly, how much you bet me so you don't get $1 in the tax money this year? Curly, Google and learn how to fix our credit. Maybe when me come off of the internet, I say I walking and Curly, you no ball yet. You no ball yet. Hey, me glad for my granny used to feed me, you know. Me say, Curly, house. He don't pantina now. Hold you down there with her. Hold you down. And now let you go to just like Tina no time soon. You're too enough.